Hello everyone, I'm Chaitanya Gokhale. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to teach you Devanagari or Marathi calligraphy. And that too, in Marathi. The Devanagari script is very beautiful. And my personal favorite. Every letter has its own structural beauty. Every letter has curves, rhythm and balance. Like you have 26 English alphabets. There are 48 alphabets in Marathi. You also have conjunctions. There is a lot of dynamism in this language. This calligraphy is very interesting to learn. Like English, this type of calligraphy has certain rules and techniques that I will teach you. Alright then, let's get started. You can use a chiseled marker and a fountain calligraphy pen to do calligraphy in Devanagari. Using a pen to do calligraphy is slightly more difficult, so I will come to that later. Let's see how you can start by using a simple marker. This marker is easily available in the market. If you look closely, you will notice that this marker has a slanted tip. Since it has a slanted cut, it is important to use the marker at a specific angle. When we generally use a marker, this is how we mark with it. When we do Devanagari calligraphy, it is essential that we keep a specific angle. Only then does the lettering look good. What is this angle? We need the angle to be 45 degrees. Like this. Holding the marker at this angle, draw a straight line. While drawing this straight line, we need to ensure that the line isn't drawn like this. The marker should be kept like this. Holding the marker at a 45-degree angle, draw a line like this. Similarly, let's try making a horizontal line without changing the angle of the hand. Like this. You will need to do a lot of practice of drawing these two lines, because unless you get the angle right, Devanagari or Marathi calligraphy won't look good. This vertical line. This horizontal line. After this, the two most important strokes that you need can be called half rounds. Like this. And this is the stroke in the opposite direction. In the Devanagari script, it is necessary to gain ample practice of these four strokes. A straight vertical line. A horizontal line. A half round like this. And this flipped half round. We can only master the lettering once we practice these four strokes. In Devanagari script, there is a certain measure for the height of every letter. The thickness of the marker is called its nib width. We need to measure it with 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On a graph paper, the height of a letter needs to be 2 centimeters for this marker. Using this marker, let me show you how to draw the first letter. If you notice, when we write a normal A using a pen, it looks like this. While doing calligraphy, the most important rule is that the letter needs to be split into different parts or strokes. Let me demonstrate this one more time. Instead of writing it in a single stroke, the letter is to be divided into different strokes. The first stroke. I've lifted my hand here. Starting from this point, make the second stroke. This is the second stroke. This is the third stroke. This is the fourth stroke. And then the horizontal line above the letter. This line, instead of going above the graph paper line, should be parallel to it. So, that was the alphabet A. Now, let's look at some of the common mistakes that are made while writing this. We need the vertical line to be parallel to the graph paper line, like this. This angle needs to be kept at exactly 45 degrees. The marker shouldn't be held flat like this. It must be tilted this way. While doing calligraphy, the marker shouldn't turn or twist in your hand. Once you hold the marker at an angle, it must be held in the same position throughout, like this. You shouldn't be leaning too much on the paper, the hand needs to move freely. Every letter is constructed and structured in a certain way. Let me show you an example here. 12, 3, 4, 5. This is the first stroke. This is the second stroke. The third stroke. The fourth stroke. The fifth stroke. While constructing every letter, we have to split it into the maximum number of strokes, so that we can gain good control over that letter. Pen-based calligraphy is slightly difficult. So initially, practice the straight vertical line, horizontal line, and these two half rounds along with the letter A until I come back soon with pen calligraphy for other letters.